Good morning, students. Students of class 10, welcome to your English grammar class. In last class, we have discussed construction of a compound sentence and how compound sentences are constructed. We have discussed. Let us discuss today about complex sentence and construction of a complex sentence. Students, first I want to give you three examples. First example is there, I am certain of completing the work today. I am certain that I shall complete the work today. Second example is there, tell me the place of your birth. Tell me where you were born. Third example is there, hardworking students succeed in the examination. Students who work hard succeed in the examination. There are three pairs of sentences given below. Each pairs of sentences convey the same meaning, though their construction is different. But from the standpoint of construction, the sentences in each pair are different from each other. The first sentence in each pair has one independent finite clause and a dependent non-finite clause. Students, while discussing simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence, I have already discussed regarding clauses and types of clauses. I don't want to repeat that one. Similarly, the second sentence in each pair of sentence has two finite clauses, an independent clause or main clause and dependent clause. Students, in last classes, I have already discussed regarding dependent clause and independent clause, so I don't want to repeat that one. A dependent clause is otherwise known as subordinate clause. In the second sentence, the first pair, I am certain, is the main clause, and that I shall complete the work today is the subordinate clause. In the pair second, tell me, is the main clause, and where you were born is the subordinate clause. Similarly, in the pair third, the second sentence has two finite clauses. Students succeed in the examination is the main clause. Who work hard is the subordinate clause. The subordinate clause can be three types: noun clause, adverb clause and relative clause. Students, relative clause is otherwise known as your adjective clause. Students, regarding this subordinate clause, in your next chapter, this noun clause and adverb clause and relative clause will be discussed in greater detail. Students, I want to give you a diagrammatic representation. Diagram of different types of sentences. First sentence is divided into two, your one clause, that is what independent clause or main clause, or more than one clause. Like this, sentence can be divided into two types. First one, I told you, the sentence having one clause or having one independent clause or main clause, that is a simple sentence, and more than one clause, they are either simple sentence or your compound sentence or complex sentence. Is it? Your sentence two or more coordinate clause is known as your compound sentence, and one or more than independent clause or subordinate clause is called complex sentence. Students, I want to give you an activity in which you have to mark and break the sentence into main clause and subordinate clause. You will try your best. Thank you.